Today, we have an incredibly interesting topic to discuss: the 8 amazing benefits of incorporating garlic water into your daily routine. Yes, you heard it right, garlic water. So, if you're curious to know how this humble kitchen ingredient can transform your health, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our health and wellness updates. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Immune-boosting properties. Garlic water might seem unusual, but it has a remarkable ability to enhance our immune system. Think of garlic as a squad of soldiers. When we consume garlic water, these soldiers become stronger and more effective at safeguarding our bodies from harmful invaders. Garlic contains natural components that provide a substantial boost to our immune system, improving its ability to combat illnesses. To make use of this powerful tool, all you need to do is crush a garlic clove and mix it with water. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach can offer optimal results. While garlic water isn't a miraculous solution, it serves as a natural method to support a strong immune system. In a world full of germs, incorporating garlic water into our routine might be the extra boost our immune system needs to maintain our health. Number 2. Heart health. Garlic water is a silent supporter of our heart's health. Like a helpful friend, it aids in maintaining a strong and healthy heart. Garlic water possesses a unique power. It can assist in reducing cholesterol and blood pressure levels. It acts as a natural cleaner for our heart's pathways, preventing blockages. Moreover, it has the ability to relax our blood vessels, reducing the strain on our hearts. To harness these heart-loving benefits, simply prepare garlic-infused water by soaking chopped garlic. Regular consumption can yield noticeable results. While not a substitute for a balanced lifestyle, garlic water is an additional ally in supporting heart health. Number 3. Detoxification. Think of garlic water as a natural detox superhero that refreshes your body. Just as rain cleans the air in a city, garlic water purifies your body by helping eliminate toxins. It contains special components that support your detoxifying organs, the liver, and kidneys, making them work more effectively. To experience this detoxifying magic, crush garlic and mix it with water. Sip it throughout the day for a refreshing cleanse. While not a miracle solution, garlic water offers a natural way to aid your body's detox process. Number 4. Weight management. Consider garlic water as a helpful friend in your weight management journey. Like exercise, it boosts your metabolism, aiding in calorie burning. Garlic water also keeps you feeling full, acting as a satisfying snack that prevents overeating. To utilize these weight-friendly advantages, crush garlic and mix it with water. Sip it before meals to control your appetite. While not a magical fix, garlic water is a flavorful and natural tool to support your weight goals. With garlic water by your side, you have a simple and wholesome way to assist your weight management efforts, making your path to a healthier weight more achievable. Number 5. Skin benefits. Discover the beauty secret in your kitchen: garlic water. This concoction has the power to give you radiant skin. Garlic water acts as a skin superhero, fighting acne and redness with its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It also enhances your skin's glow by boosting blood circulation, ensuring it receives vital nutrients. By combating harmful free radicals, garlic water helps maintain skin health. To enjoy these skin benefits, crush garlic and mix it with water. Consume it regularly or use it as a face rinse for added radiance. While not an instant fix, garlic water provides a gentle and natural approach to improving your skin. With garlic water, you're tapping into an age-old beauty secret that nurtures your skin from within, a holistic way to care for your skin's health and appearance. Similar to tidying your home, your body deserves a cleanse too. Embracing garlic water means giving your body the internal refreshment it craves. Number 6. Hair health. Garlic water. This everyday ingredient can work wonders for your hair's health. Think of garlic water as a nourishing elixir for your hair. Packed with essential nutrients, it strengthens hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and encourages growth. It's like a strengthening potion for your hair. Garlic water also tackles scalp issues. Its antimicrobial properties combat dandruff and soothe itchiness, creating a healthier environment for your hair to flourish. To reap these benefits, mix crushed garlic with water. Apply it as a hair rinse or consume it to nourish your hair from within. While not an overnight remedy, garlic water offers a gradual and natural way to boost your hair's vitality. With garlic water, you're embracing a straightforward yet effective method to support your hair's health, providing the care it needs for vibrant and beautiful locks. Number 7. Digestive health. Garlic water as a digestive helper. It aids digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown of food. It's like giving your digestion a boost. Moreover, garlic water has a soothing effect on the gut. It can ease discomfort and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, providing a calming influence on your digestive system. To enjoy these digestive benefits, combine crushed garlic with water. Sip it around mealtimes for the best results. While not an instant solution, garlic water offers a natural and gradual way to support a contented tummy. With garlic water, you're extending a gentle yet effective method to ensure your digestive system functions smoothly, allowing your meals to be comfortably processed and your gut to be content. Number 8. Brain health. Garlic water is a brain's companion. Its antioxidants act as safeguards, shielding the brain from potential harm and promoting its well-being. Moreover, garlic water shows promise in protecting against certain brain-related issues. While ongoing research continues, some studies suggest that garlic's components might offer a defense against neurodegenerative diseases. To tap into these brain-boosting benefits, mix crushed garlic with water and sip regularly. Although not an instant fix, garlic water provides a natural and gradual approach to nurturing brain health. By incorporating garlic water into your routine, you're taking a simple step towards caring for your brain's wellness, a natural way to support cognitive function. Fantastic benefits of drinking garlic water daily. Remember, while garlic water offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consult your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.